Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to create and host a free website using GitHub Pages. This is a perfect way to get your portfolio or a simple project online without paying for hosting. So let's get right to it. First, you need a GitHub account. If you don't already have one, sign up for a free account on the GitHub website. Once you're logged in, look for the New button on your dashboard to create a new repository. This repository will act as the folder for all your website files. Give it a name like My Website, and make sure the visibility is set to public so that everyone can visit your site once it's live. Click Create Repository to finish the step. Next, you need to actually add your website code. On your new repository page, click the link to create a new file. You can write your own HTML or even use an AI tool to generate a simple Hello World template. A huge tip here is to name your file index.html. Using the name index is important because GitHub automatically looks for that specific file to serve as your homepage. Paste your HTML code into the editor, scroll down, and hit the Commit Changes button to save it to your repository. Then you need to actually turn on the hosting feature. Click on the Settings tab at the top of your repository and select Pages from the navigation menu on the left. Under the Build and Deployment section, look for the Branch dropdown. Change it from None to Main and click Save. This tells GitHub exactly which branch contains the files you want to publish to the web. Finally, give it a minute or two for the servers to process your files. You'll see a status bar at the top of the Pages screen that eventually turns green and provides a direct URL to your new site. Click Visit Site to see your work live. If you named your file something other than index.html, remember that you'll need to manually add a / and that exact file name to the end of your URL to see the page. And that's it. Your free website is officially live and hosted on GitHub. If this quick guide helped you get your first project online today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.